Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your work with AI. Ever feel like you're spending more time formatting slides than presenting a compelling story about your marketing campaign? Today, we're going to build a persuasive marketing deck in minutes. Let's begin. Open the Gemini app and then go to Canvas. Then give Gemini as much relevant info as you can for good results. In this example, I'm prompting Gemini to create a full slide deck for a marketing campaign based on the campaign brief and style guide I've attached from Drive. This gives Gemini details on goals, strategy, and launch timeline. I also added details about the company's style and color palette. Then submit. Let's see what Gemini whips up. After a few minutes, you have a full deck as a first draft. It might not be perfect, but it's a great starting point. The best part is you can edit all of this. Let's open Slides and improve it.
You may already know Gemini can generate new visuals and slides, but it can also enhance your existing slides. This updates your layout while keeping the content fully editable, and it matches the brand and style of the rest of your deck. Take this launch timeline. Maybe a bullet point list doesn't quite land the vision. Use Enhance This Slide for a quick redesign to turn a boring schedule into something more visual. Maybe this redesign is too minimal, and you want the timeline to have illustrations and specific colors. You can prompt again, describing the style you want. Once you insert the new style, you can edit the slide yourself. Use your marketing expertise to take this deck from good to great.
Ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Earn your badge by completing the challenge. Thanks for watching and have fun.